For today's menu, we have these air-fried goat cheese croquettes atop a peppery arugula and shaved fennel salad with a nice little drizzle of balsamic reduction to really set it off. This salad works all year round and is a luxurious lunch treat, so let's get into it. Start off by cutting up your extra thick cut bacon into large squares, and if you're feeling fancy, pancetta works great for this as well. Next, air fry the bacon for 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. If you like it on the chewy side, go for around 7 to 9 minutes. Once the bacon is done, place it onto a paper towel to soak up any excess grease. After that, break up the goat cheese, give it a little mix in a bowl, and then make quenelles using 2 similar sized spoons. This takes a little practice but yields a really beautiful triangular shaped oval that is very useful for many presentations. Then you're going to season the breading flour with dried rosemary, thyme, salt, and black pepper. Then you're going to dredge the goat cheese quenelles in the flour, egg, and panko crumbs until completely coated. Once they're all breaded up, air fry them for about 10 minutes on high heat until golden brown. If you fry them for too long, the goat cheese may melt out, so cook them hot and fast. While the croquettes are frying up, thinly slice up some green onion tops just like I did in my previous video and soak them in cold ice water to get crispy and curled. Slice up the fennel bulb in a similar fashion on a Japanese mandolin, extremely thin as you can get it, and place those into the cold water to get crispy as well. Next, add the arugula to a large mixing bowl, pat off the extra water from the shaved onions and fennel with a paper towel, and dress the salad with just a simple olive oil, salt, and pepper dressing. At this point, the croquettes should be ready to go, and it's time to plate this up. Alright, so you're going to create a nice bed of the dressed greens on the bottom of a shallow, wide bowl, then arrange the croquettes around the salad. Top with the thin bacon lardons and drizzle some of the balsamic reduction to finish. The reduction is a 10-to-1 ratio of balsamic to brown sugar reduced until desired thickness is met. This recipe can easily be paired with seasonal ingredients throughout the year, and the croquettes can be used as an appetizer just on their own with a simple or intricate garnish. As always, if you enjoyed the recipe, share this video with your friends and family, hit that like button, and of course, drop a comment to say hello. Until next time, stay curious and creative in the kitchen. Later, folks.